As you can see on the screen, this code is a Python script that uses the tkinter library for creating a graphical user interface and the GPIO0 library for controlling LEDs connected to a Raspberry Pi. It allows the user to control three different colored LEDs, red, blue and green, through button on the GUI. Let's break down the code line by line. In the first line, from tkinter import, this imports all the classes and functions from the tkinter library. Tkinter is a standard Python interface to the GUI toolkit. In the second line, import tkinter.font. This imports the font module from the tkinter library. It's used to customize the font properties of the widgets. In the third line, this imports the LED class from the GPIO0 library. This class is used for controlling LEDs connected to the Raspberry Pi. In the fourth line, this import the RPIO.GPIO module, which provides a way to interact with the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi. In the sixth line, RPIO.GPIO.setMode. This sets the GPIO mode to use BCM numbering. This is a way to uniquely identify each GPIO pin on the Raspberry Pi. From line number 8 to line number 10, these lines initialize three LED objects, each associated with a specific GPIO pin. Like red LED give the pin number 20, blue LED give 16 and green LED give 21. In the line number 12th, this creates the main window for the GUI, and in the line number 13, this sets the title of the GUI window to LEDs control. In the 14th line, this creates a custom font named my font with the family Helvetica, size 12 and bold weight. This font will be used for the buttons. In line number 16, this line defines a function named red LED, which will be called when the red LED button is pressed. Inside the red LED function, there are conditional statements that check if the red LED is currently lit or not. Depending on its state, it will either turn the LED on or off and update the text of the button accordingly. Similarly, there are two more functions. Blue LED and green LED are defined for controlling the blue and green LEDs. Now move to the line number 52. In this line, this defines a function named close, which will be called when the exit button is pressed. It clean up the GPIO pins and destroy the GUI window. In line number 56, in this line, this creates a button which label turn red LED on with the custom font, and when this button is pressed, it will execute the red LED function. Now red LED button dot grid, this places the red LED button in the first row and second column of the GUI grid layout. Similarly, there are a few more lines for the blue and green, and these lines are performing similar function. And in this line, there are position button for controlling the blue and green LEDs, as well as an exit button. Now move to the 68 line. In this line, win.protocol, this sets a protocol handler that calls the close function when the Windows close button is clicked. And in the line number 17, win.main loop function, this starts the main event loop of the GUI, which listens for user interactions and responds accordingly.